This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson, hammer-ons and pull-offs. We're all familiar with these sounds. You're articulating and running the guitar with your left hand, not with your right. Here's the two most common ways to do that. For this particular hammer-on, I'm going to be starting out with my first finger on the 5th string, 3rd fret. I'm going to hammer on with my ring finger. Now, it's really important as you hammer on that you use the tip of your finger, bringing it straight down, well, like a hammer, onto the string. Not like a bat or a... I mean, your fingers aren't really bats, they're kind of floppy if you turn them that way like this. They get kind of a hard point to them. So make sure you use that. The other trick is make sure you've got it right up on the fret, right in the sweet spot in front of the fret. Helps if the first note's good too. And I'm not hitting particularly hard, but it's got to be fast. If you move it too slow, you'll mute the string before you hit it. So the idea is kind of smack the string down onto the fret. And this is a good way to practice it. In fact, if you've got an acoustic guitar, or at least turn the distortion off your electric, practice it without an initial note. If you're getting a good sound there, you know you're going to get a good note if you start with a good note. Now to the pull-off. Now we're going to move up a little bit. We're going to start on the 1st string because that's the easiest one. Now what we're doing here is we're playing a note just like regular in the sweet spot with our fingertip on the string, and I'm going to kind of snap it to the side, plucking the string with the part of my finger that's stuck to the string when I push down on it. All of us get these little lines in our fingertips when we play, so you're going to use that to articulate the note. If you do it with the string open, it's quite easy. So start that way, and then move up to your... holding your first finger on a note, any note, it doesn't matter. Now you start to see how we combine pull-offs with hammer-ons. If you hammer on a note, you're only one quick step away from pulling it off again. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been your introduction to hammer-on and pull-off technique. Please check the links below for other video lessons you might be interested in, and thank you for watching.